Uniswap value equivalent to $764.72 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $7.39 to 24. The earlier day close $7.6560. The change was 0.811%. Opposite rate ICE to Uni. Uniswap estimate for May 2024. In the first place, cost at $864. Exorbitant cost $10.72, while low cost $8.64. The normal for the month $9.51. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $10.02, change for May 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $10.02. Exorbitant cost $12.43, while low cost $10.02. The normal for the month $11.02. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $11.62, change for June 16%. Uniswap gauge for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $11.62. Exorbitant cost $12.65, while low cost $10.99. The normal for the month $11.77. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $11.82, change for July 17%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at $11.82. Exorbitant cost $12.90, while low cost $11.22. The normal for the month $12. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.06, change for August 2%. Uniswap gauge for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at $12.06. Exorbitant cost $13.42, while low cost $11.66. The normal for the month $12.42. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $12.54, change for September 40%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $12.54. Exorbitant cost $15.57, while low cost $12.54. The normal for the month $13.80. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $14.55, change for October 16%. Uniswap gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $14.55. Exorbitant cost $16.34, while low cost $14.20. The normal for the month $15.9. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.97, change for November 4.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else, cost at $15.97. Excessive cost $16.66, while low cost $14.48. The normal for the month $15.50. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $15.57, change for December 2%. Uniswap gauge for January 2025. In the first place, cost at $15.57. Exorbitant cost $17.08, while low cost $14.84. The normal for the month $15.86. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $15.96, change for January 5%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at $15.96. Excessive cost $17.37, while low cost $15.09. The normal for the month $16.16. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $16.83, change for February 17%. Uniswap estimate for WALK 2025. To start with, cost at $16.93. Exorbitant cost $17.41, while low cost $15.13. The normal for the month $16.26. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $16.27, change for spring 2%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at $16.27. Exorbitant cost $20.19, while low cost $16.27. The normal for the month $17.90. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $18.87, change for April 16%. Uniswap gauge for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at $18.87. Excessive cost $20.79, while low cost $18.7. The normal for the month $9.29. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $19.43, change for May 3%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $19.43. Excessive cost $21.62, while low cost $18.80. The normal for the month $20.02. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $20.21, change for June 40%. Uniswap estimate for July 2025. First and foremost, cost at $20.21. Exorbitant cost $23.28, while low cost $20.21. The normal for the month $21.37. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $21.76, change for July 7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2025. To start with cost at $21.76. Exorbitant cost $24.51, while low cost $21.31. The normal for the month $22.62. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $22.91, change for August 5.3%. Uniswap estimate for September 2025. In the first place cost at $22.91. Exorbitant cost $22.91, while low cost $17.89. The normal for the month $20.74. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $9.24 is change for September 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $19.24. Excessive cost $23.88, while low cost $9.24. The normal for the month $21.17. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $22.32, change for October 16%. Uniswap estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at $22.32. Exorbitant cost $22.32, while low cost $18.93. The normal for the month $20.62. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $19.60, change for November 12.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $19.60. Exorbitant cost $19.60, while low cost $15.37. The normal for the month $17.78. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $16.53, change for December 15.7%. Uniswap gauge for January 2026. In the first place cost at $16.53. Exorbitant cost $16.53, while low cost $12.92. The normal for the month $14.97. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $13.89, change for January 16%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $13.89. Excessive cost $15.59, while low cost $13.55. The normal for the month $14.40. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $14.57, change for February 4.9%. Uniswap conjecture for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $14.57. Excessive cost $14.57, while low cost $12.45. The normal for the month $13.75. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $13.39, change for spring 8.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $13.39. Excessive cost $13.39, while low cost $10.46. The normal for the month $12.12. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $11.25, change for April 6.